Assalamu alaikum my friends, hope you are all well, safe, and maybe some people are getting yourself ready for the weather, depends on wherever you are. In my previous video I mentioned one of the options about this product which I'm about to tell you. If you missed the video, please have a look at by clicking the card above or the link in the description below. If you new to my channel, then welcome, and those are returning, welcome back, welcome. Disclaimer, just to be clear that this isn't a sponsored video, nor anybody asked me to do this video. I bought the item myself for my own money, so anything I will say are my own opinion from what I will find in the box along with you, and I use one but not really that one. So anyway, I will show you once I will use it more, and I will put an update in the next video. So let's talk about it. Before I start, my friend, I got a good news and a bad about the video I promised you to do. The good news is the 3D printer has arrived at last, and the bad news is the video we recorded ended up very long, too long. Above that, the audio kept fading here and there, so as well as the main video that was focusing the product here didn't record at all. So I'm trying to edit as much as I can in brief from 2 hours long video. It took, well, looks like that it won't be that short, but I'm trying and hope you will like when I upload. That's been said, let's dive into the product in hand. So the product is a filament compression storage bag with an USB operated pump. The manufactured by a Chinese company called Shenzhen eSun Industrial Company Limited. So here it is. It's called eSun Vacuum Kit 3D printer filament storage compression storage bag with a USB pump. You know, this is so long, sometimes these people make the name, it's just very hard to remember. So anyway, it's there because not in here it says something else, but in the description is something else. So let's see whatever we got here. By the way, I got a little request to you all, my friend, if I may. Please consider subscribe my channel if you haven't already, as that helps me a lot and to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and click the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Now let's get back to the video. I bought this kit from Amazon here in UK, and it cost me only £16.99 British pound. So with that, I can store, with this I can store, because it comes with 10 bags. So I can store 10 filaments to start with. Although I do not have that many filaments as a new starter, so I got a few. But I put it in that box that I reviewed last in my previous video. That can take 4. At the moment I got 5 because there's one they send me as a compensate the problem I had with my previous printer. So they send me a new filament. So now I got 5 filament. So 4 of them goes into that box that I uploaded in my previous video. So once I have more, then I will see. I mean, at least I don't have all the filaments, but at least these bags are here if I need them, and in the future. Once I will have, as I said, 3 more filaments, because that box can take 4. I will probably get one of those box I reviewed in my previous video. Who knows, I might make one myself if I know how to and my health cooperate with me. That is the main thing. Anyways, the link for this product is in the description below. Shall we look what we got in the box? So we got few manuals, which is one is the few manuals, which is one is how to use basically the whole thing, how to bag and tag, and one is for how to use the pump. You get 10 of these bags. They're pretty big. 10 bags, and then you got this vacuum pump, and you got what you call these clips, 2 sealant clips, and 15 of these DESICCANT, which is silica gel, and 10 spare valves. So let's talk about the item very quickly, if I can. The vacuum storage bag. We all know that the damp filaments leads to stringing, clogging, or pore adhesion, and layer shifts. So this kit is specially designed for vacuum sealed storage that keep filaments dry and increase the service life of the 3D printing filaments. Secondly, the problems are moisture and dirt or dust. So these bags are basically is a double seal and double seal zipper and a single side embossing, heavy duty valve. I just hope they are easy to pump, we will see. And basically these microporous vacuum bags allows maximum air removal and protects the filaments from moisture and dirt. As the bags can be attached with the USB electric pump, which is that one that it provides faster speed to pull out the air. As I said, I hope it will. Also, the pump is for an airtight fit and more powerful than those in hand pump. Because of the discoloration of those descents, make it easier to monitor and humidity of the 3D printer filament. What about the durability and can I reuse? Some people might ask. These bags are made of food grade PE, which is polyethylene, and PA, which is polyamide composite materials. Therefore, they are durable and reusable. They also pass BPA-free and FDA certification. Oof. A little boring jargon for you here. BPA-free means bisphenol A is a chemical produced in large quantities for use primarily in the production of polycarbonate plastics. Now those are like shatterproof windows, eyewears, what I call water bottles, the epoxy resin that coat some metal food cans, bottle tops, water pipes, and so many other things. And FDA certification means the Food and Drugs Administration, which issues normally I think is in the state. That equivalent here in UK is the Medicine and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. Now I'm not specialized or I don't know in depth, so if you know something different, please let me know in the comment section below. They are environmentally friendly and safe to use. The vacuum storage bag can be used for those moisture sensitive filaments because these bags has better moisture proof effect. They're very easy to use. So just quick demonstrate if I can. Get one of these bags. put it in this vacuum bag. So you might see what I'm doing. Now lock the Ziploc seal with those sealing clips provided in the box. Remember these ones? So I normally get some air out beforehand before I put, and also don't forget using this, because last time I tried to show somebody with their one. Alright, so just stuff one of there inside so you can see. You can feel the noise, you know it's sealed, even though you got this. So just make sure they're all sealed. There you go. So keeping the exhaust valve, which is exhaust port, on a flat surface, which is like this, and exhaust the air with the pump. Now I'm talking about exhaust. Where's the power? It's here. So many connections. So there you go, that's how it goes. Just make sure it's in here. Making a lot of noise. I'm not gonna do the fast forward mode so that you can see how quick this one takes. So once it's done, pumped up, just make sure you press this and this valve, this plastic thing, just to make sure it's all sealed so there is no leak. So nothing happening. So that's done. As you can see, it's all sealed. It's pretty good sealed. I tried one earlier, which is this one. So I got two of these sealed up. These bags are compatible with most, like half kilo or 0.75 kilograms on a kilogram weight filaments, and 1.75 or 2.85 and 3mm 3D printer filaments. We all like bonus, don't we, my friend? Perhaps not everybody, but here they are. These bags can be used for storing candy, sweets, coffee beans, cookies, biscuits, tea, if you want to put tea, nuts, anything, whatever you want the food grade, because they are food grade, so you can use them. So anyway, instead of me keep babbling about all the nitty-gritty, I will leave some technical details in the description below. So my friends, that's that for now. Please stay connected and don't forget to click the bell icon and choose all so you will be notified as soon as I upload my next project or video. As always, please consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button or smash it in 2023 style if that is something you prefer. Share this video to your family and friends, or to those who might like to get one of these for storing their filaments. These are handy for new 3D printer user like myself, and even for those pro 3D printer users. Let me know if you have any question about this product in the comment section below. I will positively answer any of your question, or at least point you to the correct direction for you to find out those answers in depth. If you find anything within any of my contents or channel that might need improving, please let me know in the comment section below. You can find me in various medias and on my website, and all the links are in the description as well. I would like to take the opportunity to thank you all for your support by subscribing my channel, as those make a huge difference to me and to my channel, and to look forward produce more contents. Please look after yourself and each other and stay safe wherever you are. Remember, life is short, so live long and prosper. May Allah Ta'ala bless you with all the happiness, joy, prosperity, stability, and a long, healthy life. Stay tuned, my friend, and I will see you all in my next one. Allah Hafiz.